Welcome student. In today's lecture, today we will see the energy profile diagram of SN2 reaction. The example was the alkaline hydrolysis of methyl bromide. Okay. Now this is the energy profile diagram, and in the previous lecture we have seen that the definition of energy profile diagram. Energy profile diagram is nothing but a graph of potential energy versus reaction coordinate or reaction progress. Okay, अगर हम पोटेंशियल एनर्जी को रिएक्शन प्रोग्रेस के वर्सेस उसके अगेंस्ट में प्लॉट करते हैं तो मिलने वाली जो डायग्राम है, मिलने वाला जो ग्राफ है, उसे हम एनर्जी प्रोफाइल डायग्राम कहते हैं. दिस एनर्जी प्रोफाइल डायग्राम इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट गिव्स टू मच important knowledge to us. Now we'll see. Okay, at this axis we have the potential energy. Potential energy is increasing on this axis. Okay, and the reaction is on progress on this axis. Now this is the energy of reactant. Okay, now what is the reaction? Methyl bromide reacts with nucleophile. Nucleophile attacks on the carbon of methyl bromide, and there is the formation of nucleophile and carbon bond. Simultaneously there was the breaking of carbon and bromine bond. Nucleophile was entering group and halogen is leaving group. Halogen leaves and nucleophile enters. Both the phenomena is occurring simultaneously at the same time. Okay, and this is the formation of transition state, and transition state is hypothetical state and it is a highly energetic state. That's why we have seen the reactant, the energy of the reactant is increasing. Okay, because transition state is highly energetic state. Okay, now this peak is showing us the highest energy. Okay, if we plot this peak on this axis, we can calculate its potential energy. Okay, potential energy is very high. As soon as the OC hydroxyl group and carbon bond is ready, then there is the, at the same time, carbon bromine bond will break. Okay, now as the carbon and bromine bond is broken down, the transition state is dissolved, transition state is converted into product, and as the transition state is converted into product, the energy will decrease because there is a formation of product and product is stable. That's why stability of product energy is decreased. We know the general statement. What is the general statement of stability and energy? Energy is high, stability is less. Stability is high, energy is less. Okay, now as the product formation takes place, energy will decrease. Okay, now this is the position of reactant. Okay, and this is the position of the product energy. Okay, both we can draw. This is the reactant and this is the product. So we can draw a line and we can calculate the potential energy from this point, and also we can calculate the energy of product by this graph. So we can compare the energy of reactant and energy of product. The difference between the energy of reactant and energy of product is known as delta H, and delta is nothing but it is a heat of reaction. Means heat of reaction is a quantity which is required to occur a reaction. ओके जैसे कि यहाँ पर रिएक्टेंट कौन है, मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड, सॉरी यहाँ पर मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड लिखना चाहिए था और यहाँ पर मिथाइल अल्कोहल, करेक्शन कर लीजिएगा आप, यहाँ पे मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड होगा, यहाँ पे मिथाइल अल्कोहल होगा। रिएक्टेंट क्या है, मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड, ओके, प्रोडक्ट क्या है, मिथाइल अल्कोहल। ओके, तो जब रिएक्टेंट को प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट होना है, ओके, तो क्या करना होगा, उसे डेल्टा एच अमाउंट का हीट क्या करना होगा, रिलीज करना होगा। ओके, यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि रिएक्टेंट का एनर्जी हाई है और प्रोडक्ट का एनर्जी लेस है। प्रोडक्ट का एनर्जी कम है, रिएक्टेंट का एनर्जी हाई है। तो रिएक्टेंट से प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट होना है तो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट जो है हीट का, जिसे हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, डेल्टा एच, वो उसको रिलीज करना पड़ेगा। और जब एनर्जी रिलीज होगी तो हम बोलेंगे दिस रिएक्शन इज एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन। नाउ वी हैव कंक्लूडेड फ्रॉम द एनर्जी प्रोफाइल डायग्राम, दैट इज and we get an important point from this EPD diagram that reaction is exothermic. And if we draw from the baseline of the reactant to the highest point of the transition state, okay, means the space which is highest in energy and up to the energy of reactant, okay, this gap, okay, this much gap is known as delta E. Delta E is nothing but energy of activation. Now what is energy of activation? Energy of activation is the amount of energy which is required to occur a chemical reaction. अगर रिएक्टेंट को हम एनर्जी ऑफ एक्टिवेशन प्रोवाइड नहीं करते थे तो वो ट्रांजिशन स्टेट नहीं बनाता था, वो आगे प्रोडक्ट में कन्वर्ट नहीं होता था। तो कभी कभी हमें रिएक्टेंट को एनर्जी ऑफ एक्टिवेशन प्रोवाइड करनी होती है, कभी कभी हमें एनर्जी ऑफ एक्टिवेशन प्रोवाइड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है। डिपेंड करता है नेचर ऑफ सब्सटेंस के ऊपर, नेचर ऑफ रिएक्शन के ऊपर ये डिपेंड करता है। ओके, so this is the energy profile diagram, okay, and I hope this diagram, I hope you understand this diagram. Okay, this is the term we have used, PE for potential energy, transition state, TS for transition state, and EPD is the energy profile diagram, and delta E, that is energy of activation. Okay, and delta E, what we are saying, energy of activation. Okay, in thermodynamic, E is used for the internal energy. Okay, or so this is the energy profile diagram for SN2 reaction. Okay, or especially this diagram belongs to alkaline hydrolysis of methyl bromide.